I just got it together last Saturday. It was an empty shell, and
death penalty. Woo. Wow, you got, man, 4 of them.
440s and 16 volt.
Pretty hot.
Yeah.
Did you build the box?
Yeah, I built the whole truck.
Okay, you want to tell me what's in here for the video?
Yeah, it's 440.1s on 16 volt limitless lithium, 4 death penalty 15s, and tuned to 42 with 3 8-inch Aeroports. Big ass ports.
Yeah. Have you metered it?
Nope. I just got it together last Saturday. It was an empty shell, and it's here today.
Oh wow, nice. How big is that box?
It's 12 cubes after displacement and everything, so it's a little over 13 and a half.
Yeah. What frequency does it like?
46, 47.
It likes all frequencies.
All frequency.
It likes to choke you out.
Nice.
You're in all audio legion.
What are these amps wired to?
0.7 right now.
Okay.
Some of these big button programs stick in the box to the bottom of the cell.
For a second, I thought you had a stock radio, then you have a portable radio.
Yeah, I got it on a tether.
I like those rims too. That's different. Can I see the alternator?
Sure.
16 volt. That's some beefy amps.
Yeah, one CES 390.
Okay. Nice.
Is this one on the 440?
That's lithium. I got 200 amp hour lithiums.
Gotcha.
I've been running, I just got the alternator working last night.
Okay.
2 of my boxes were bad for the external regulator. And I was running on all battery.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Lithium, you can do that though.
Yeah. Last Saturday it was completely dead. Last Saturday it was completely, no headliner, no seats, no cameras, no nothing.
What's up, man? Oh, sorry, man.
Just have to shut that door.
What bass knob is that?
SPL Cartel.
Okay. Custom graphics.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
He does all the shirts and stickers for the team.
Okay. What are these amps rated at?
48's case power.
Okay.
what they say.
Yeah.
The hood. We gonna do what for the hood? Yeah. We gonna do a sound for the hood. Okay, we gonna do it hood style for the fella. Hood style for the fella.
Dude, for a no wall, that's pretty loud.
Appreciate it.
Are the subs still breaking in, or they broke in? It seems like they're doing really well.
No, they're broken in.
Okay.
They're out of my old build.
Okay. What was your old build?
I had a Blazer with a 4th order with 6 of those in it.
Oh, wow. So you went no wall from wall?
Yeah, I went from wall to no wall, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I was doing 61.5 sealed.
Wow.
In the Blazer. And 62.8 in the kick.
Okay.
So.
What made you decide to go no wall?
Just try something different.
Something different? That's right.
Yep.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.